Good morning, class. Today we are going to do the revision of the chapter that is in quadratic equation. Here we are going to see all the concept which we have studied in our previous classes. We'll revise each and every concept and then we'll see the few problems solved in your board exams. We'll solve 2 question paper. Okay? See, we are going to revise all this topic, that is the standard quadratic equation, the root of the quadratic equation, the nature of the root of the quadratic equation, factorization method, formula method, application of the quadratic equation. Application, students, we have studied word problems. All those words problems are coming in these applications. These are the question application based. Okay? And then, see, let's recall what we have studied in our previous class. As you all know, what are the standard definition of a quadratic equation? That is, the equations involving one variable and having the maximum index of the variable 2 is the quadratic equation. I hope you all know this. And the equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, is called the standard form of the quadratic equation. Where here A, B, C are the real number. I explain you all what are the real number. Real number means the number which can be drawn on the number line are the real number, and A is not equal to 0. See, students, I told you all, see, if the variable of A becomes 0, then the first coefficient will become 0. So it will be never an quadratic equation. It will become a linear equation. Okay. And one more thing, that is in the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The constant a, b, c are called the coefficient. See, a, b, c, the value of a, b, c are the coefficient and those values are constant. The linear coefficient and the constant term respectively. See, one question they are asking in your board exam, state whether this is your standard quadratic equation and write the coefficient of the equation. These kind of questions are going to be asked based on this statement. And the first statement is that definition, that the maximum index variable to. See, the question are not going to ask like this, that write the definition of a quadratic equation. No, they'll give you the statement. Okay? They'll give you the equation. And now you have to state whether this is your standard quadratic equation. And one more, they will say you to justify it. Justify it why it is your standard quadratic equation. So you will write, because the maximum index power is 2, that's why my this equation is in quadratic equation. Okay? For the justification, they'll ask you this question based on this. Okay. ठीक है. Okay. The next concept, the root of the quadratic equation. The root of the quadratic equation, we have studied this class. What are the root of the quadratic equation? The value of the variable which is satisfy the given quadratic equation are called the root of the quadratic equation. We have solved so many questions based on this. Based on this, the value of the variable means value will be given and that value should satisfy our equation. Then only it will be a quadratic equation. Today also we'll see some question based on this. In your previous exam, 2 questions were asked on this, the root of the quadratic equation. Okay. Now, Okay, this is all we have studied. Okay, students. We have seen all the concept of the quadratic equation. The one more thing is that is in factorization and formula method that we will study while solving the question based on this. Okay. So today we are going to practice the board problems. Okay. Okay, class. See, previous 5-year question. Previous 5-year question asked on the quadratic equation. I'll going to solve today. Okay. Okay. This is your 1 mark question. This is your 1 marks question. What they'll say, from the following equation, which one is the quadratic equation? See, this is your 1 mark question. Now you have to find which one is your quadratic equation. As you all know, our standard form, of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Isn't it? My all students know what is the standard form of quadratic equation. That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yes, this is clear to everyone. Everyone. So 1 marks is fixed. 1 marks is fixed. Now you will say, this is quadratic equation. No. Why? Because when it will go to the right hand side, it will multiply it by x and it will become x power 3. But what we have studied, the power will never be more than 2. More than 2. Maximum power index. Your definition of the quadratic equation is maximum power index should be 2. But here it is coming 3. So it will cancel out. In this, see in this, whether this is your quadratic equation, you will multiply it. X square plus 5x is equal to 4. Yes. X square plus 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. Yes. This is my quadratic equation. I'll say yes. This is my quadratic equation. This is not possible. Even this is not possible. So I got my quadratic equation. So here I'll get 1 mark. Now, in exam, nothing you are going to do. Options will be given to you all. Options diya rahega. Just you need to memorize. Just you need to understand कि मेरा standard quadratic equation क्या होता है. That is ax square bx plus c. उस form में which equation is there? So this equation is there. Just you have to write it down. Okay. This is your 1 mark question. Okay. Based on that definition only, they have asked this question. Okay. And the next question, from the quadratic equation, ax square plus 10x minus 7 is equal to 0, write the value of ABC. What we have seen, the constant term. The constant term are the coefficient. The constant term are the coefficient of the quadratic equation. So ax square bx plus c, you will get the value of a, b, c. This is your standard form. Yes, this is your standard form of quadratic equation. that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now you will get the value of ax square. A का value क्या रहेगा 1. B's value is 10. C's value minus 7. Okay. Now find out where it is given like this. So you will say minus 1. No, this will cancel out. This will cancel out. Here 1 minus 10 is there. So this will also cancel out. Here 1, 10, minus 7. Yes, this is the value of ABC. Here I got my 1 mark. Here I got my 1 mark. Without much effort. कोई इसमें तुमको मेहनत करनी पड़ रही? No, you don't have to do anything. Just you have to remember your standard form of quadratic equation. और जो उसका constant term रहता है, that is your coefficient. Okay, I think my student, those who are afraid of maths, those who are very, very afraid of math, that how I'll pass, how I'll get my 35 marks. So student, by doing only this three concept, you will get 6 to 7 marks. 6 to 7 marks are there in your hand, and this is very, very easy. Do you find anything difficult in this? No, na? Okay. Let's move. See this in your exam. Previous year question paper is there. See, this same question was asked. I have taken this question. Okay. Now, this is your next question. Sonu Gupta, yes. Yes, Sonu. Sonu, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Sonu, unmute yourself. Sonu. Yes. Yes, Sonu, you want to ask? Any doubt is there?
Miss, the screen is so blur, we cannot see properly.
It's very blur. Okay, just a second, I'll do something.
Beta, it's quite clear. I'm seeing it.
Yeah, it's very much clear even on my side. Is it fine now? Okay. So, this is the next question. Same, based on that concept itself. Like we have studied our that definition, standard form of quadratic equation. Based on the definition only, this question was asked. Yes, Anchal? See, what they'll say, justify your statement whether it is a quadratic equation. In this, just you need to remember that you can unmute yourself and ask your doubt. Huh? Okay. So in this question, what you will do, first you will make it into standard form. Okay, standard form. How you will make? You know your standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Chalo, now multiplied it. See, the same question was there. See, like this same question is there, but here just you need to write that statement. Huh? Okay. What you will do? Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now first you need to make it into standard form. Standard form mein kaisa? You are going to open the bracket and bring it to this form. That is x square plus 5x is equal to 2. Okay. Now x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is your standard form. Yeah, this is your standard form. Now statement you were writing. कौन सा statement लिखते हैं? Which statement we write here, student? In this equation, the highest index of the variable index power, we have studied the definition. What index power कितना होता है? That is 2. That's why the given equation is a quadratic equation. Only one thing you must add here. हो गया, it is solved. ठीक है? हाँ, okay. In this equation, the highest index of the variable is 2. This variable is 2. That's why, therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Anything difficult in this? It's very easy. You'll get here 2 marks. Same type of question. Thus, they are playing with that question and they'll give you marks. You have to play with your questions. Here, directly you have to state, tick karna hai, which is your equation. Here, thoda sa you need to make it into standard form. Standard form mein bana hai and you have to write based on the definition. You'll write here definition, half marks for definition, half marks for making it into standard form, half marks for comparison, the final conclusion. Totally, you will get 2 marks. Yes, Gaurav. Yes, Gaurav. See, similar. This question is also, here you don't need to make it into standard form. Just you have to write comparing with ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, we'll write. Ax square bx. Gaurav, unmute yourself and ask your doubt. Today we have to practice our board questions. So I don't want to waste time. Okay. Is it in standard form? Yes, my equation is in standard form. So the final statement in this equation, the highest index variable is 2. Yes, Gaurav? Yes?
जिसमें 1 वेरिएबल है और जिसमें पावर 2 रहेगा वो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है ना?
1 वेरिएबल नहीं, 2 वेरिएबल.
2 वेरिएबल और
2
पावर भी 2 ना?
क्या? पावर भी 2. सो वेरिएबल 1 रहेगा ये. x मतलब 1 वेरिएबल और इंडेक्स का पावर जो रहेगा 2 रहेगा. वेरिएबल मतलब क्या? आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू ऑल ना कि एक इक्वेशन में ओनली 1 वेरिएबल मींस ओनली x का टर्म विल कम एंड x y टुगेदर इज नॉट पॉसिबल. x y टुगेदर अगर मैंने ये x स्क्वायर लिया और ये 5y लिया तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 2 वेरिएबल हो जाएगा. ठीक है. In quadratic, only 1 variable will be there and the index power will be always be 2. ना 2 से ज्यादा होगा ना 2 से कम होगा. ये एक थिंग अपने माइंड में नेल कर लो. ठीक है. डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू गेट 1 क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन दिस. एक क्वेश्चन तो आपको जरूर मिलेगा बोर्ड एग्जाम में. ठीक है. ओके. In this equation, I hope you'll write down the same thing. We'll move forward. एक ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में आपका ये प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चंस हैं. ठीक है. प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चंस है. x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 11 इज इक्वल टू 0. ये आपका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है. So you will write in this equation the highest index variable is 2. That's why the given equation is quadratic equation. Yes. Okay. See, this is your 3 marks question. 3 or 2 marks. Sometimes they ask us for 2 marks. Sometimes they'll ask you for 3 marks. This is also very easy. We have solved activity based on this. इस पे हमने activity की थी. एक्टिविटी वाले क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए थे एंड 5 क्वेश्चन वी हैव सॉल्व बेस्ड ऑन दिस. ओके. कैसे करते हैं? हाउ वी सॉल्व इट? इफ वन रूट ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, दिस इज योर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x प्लस k इज इक्वल टू 0 इज टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k. इधर k का वैल्यू फाइंड करने बोला है. हाँ, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k. सो व्हाट यू विल डू? See, x is equal to 2 is the root of the quadratic equation. This is given to you all. This is given. This is given. So you are going to write down x is equal to 2 is the root of the given equation. This is given, x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 is given, is the root of the given equation. So the next step, you need to substitute x is equal to 2 in the given equation. You will substitute this value in this equation. क्या करोगे? Substituting x is equal to 2 in the given equation. What is your equation? Your equation is there. Here it is given. That is x square minus 7x plus k is equal to 0. What you will do? ये x का value इस equation में substitute करोगे and you will get the value of k. हाँ? You will substitute this value. चलो, we'll substitute x. What is given 2? तो 2 square minus 7x का value 2 plus k is equal to 0. 2 2s are 4 minus 7 2s are 14 plus k. Now bring k to the right hand side. 4 minus 14 is equal to minus k. अच्छा, 4 minus minus 14 sorry 4 minus 14 क्या होता है? हायर नंबर का वैल्यू आता है and it will get minus 10 is equal to minus k. Minus minus will get cancelled and you will get the value of k is equal to 10. ठीक है? Do you find anything difficult in this? Anything is difficult in this class? See, you have your two or 3 marks. Sometime 2 marks or sometime 3 marks. Okay? Sometime they'll ask you in activity. ठीक है? Activity means what? They will solve this equation, but they will keep some box empty. Like this will come in your box, like empty box, and you have to fill those values. You have to fill those values. ऐसे इस फॉर्म में वो देते हैं. That is your activity. They'll solve it. They'll solve it. ठीक है? But they'll not write those values. They will not substitute that value in this box. You have to fill that box. This kind of question they'll ask. Okay, I hope this is clear. Your next method is discriminant. इस पे भी definitely you will get 1 to 2 marks का question based on this. Based on this, the student, those who want 35 marks, they'll do only this much. जितना सिखा रही हो आज उतना ही करो. There is no need of doing. If you won't go for your words problem, still you will get marks. 7 to 8 marks still you will get. ठीक है? 7 से 8 marks मिल जाएंगे based on this concept only. Okay. Discriminant. ठीक है? What are those? What are discriminant class? We have studied that. We have studied it in your previous class. क्या होता है? डेल्टा का वैल्यू मिलता है ना, इसमें डेल्टा का वैल्यू यू फाइंड. इसमें भी क्या सेम आपको करना है. एवरीथिंग इज सेम. कंपेयरिंग विथ योर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. आपका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या है? दैट इज ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. You will find the value of a, b, c and then you will substitute into delta, that is b square minus 4ac. You will get your value of delta. ठीक है? And 3 points I told you to remember कि delta is equal to 0 रहेगा तो what it is? Delta if greater than 0 or if less than 0. Never ever forget this 3 point. Never ever forget this 3 point. ठीक है? Because the questions are asked on this. Even though अगर ये 1 marks का question है, they will tell you only find delta. अगर 2 marks का देंगे तो वो बोलेंगे, आप mention करेंगे आपको कि आप बताओ whether it is real or not, whether it is equal or unequal. whether it is real and equal. दे 3 स्टेटमेंट से कोई एक स्टेटमेंट जस्टिफाई करो. ठीक है, तो इसमें अभी कैसे करना है? कंपेयरिंग. कंपेयरिंग इट विथ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. आपका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या है? दैट इज ax स्क्वायर plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is in standard form. Yes, my equation is in standard form. I'll get the value. A का value कितना है? 2. B का value कितना है? -1. C का value कितना है? 2. Now, discriminant ना? Discriminant, that is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, b का value क्या है? -1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. -4, a का वैल्यू कितना है? 2. c का वैल्यू कितना है? 2. आई सॉल्व इट हियर. ठीक है, 1 -4 2 ज़ा 8, 8 2 ज़ा 16. वैल्यू कितनी मिल गई? 1 -5. डेल्टा यू गॉट -15. ठीक है, इन दिस क्वेश्चन ओनली दिस मच इज आस्क्ड. इतना ही बोला है कि डिस्क्रिमिनेंट, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द डिस्क्रिमिनेंट. दे डिडंट टोल्ड यू टू जस्टिफाई, दे डिडंट टोल्ड यू टू टेल मी वेदर इट इज अ रियल और अनइक्वल. नेचर ऑफ द रूट नहीं बताने बोला है. ओनली दिस मार्क्स, सो इट कैरी 1 मार्क. ठीक है, 1 मार्क. बट स्टूडेंट टेल मी, क्या है ये? टेल मी, डेल्टा का वैल्यू अगर -5 मीन्स इट इज लेस देन 0, तो क्या होगा? टेल मी whether the root is real or not real. The root of the equation are real or not real? Yes, Lakshmi. Yes, Lakshmi, better tell me whether it is real or not real. Yesterday also we have revised this. Tell me whether this is real or not real. -15 है वैल्यू, डेल्टा का वैल्यू -15 है, मतलब दिस इज लेस देन 0. Tell me, Lakshmi, can you answer this?
Miss, not real root.
Very good, not real root. Why? Because the delta is less than 0. Good, very good. Okay. Similar to this question is there, only the root is there, so never ever afraid with the root. Root दिया है, how to solve. This is very easy. The same thing, same process we have to repeat, comparing with. Comparing it with standard form, that is your ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is in standard form. Yes, my equation is in standard form. The value of a का value क्या होगा? √5. b का value क्या होगा? -1. c का value -5. Substitute this. b square minus 4ac. b का वैल्यू कितना है? -1. 4 into √5 into -√5. Okay, this is your 1 minus 5 5s are 25. 5 into 5, √5 into √5 क्या होता है? 5 हो जाता है क्या? 25 होता है? क्या होता है क्लास? वेरी गुड, 5 होता है. √5 into √5 5. 5 into 4 क्या हो जाएगा? 5 4s are 20. ये माइनस है और ये माइनस, तो ये ऐड हो जाएगा. ठीक है, ये 20. कितना हो गया आपका वैल्यू? कितना है गौरव? 21. या 21. तो अभी बोलो, आपको तो इतना ही पूछा था एग्जाम में, ये क्वेश्चन में इतना ही पूछा था. बट टेल मी, अभी डेल्टा का वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन 0, तो बताओ वो क्या होता है?
Real and unequal.
Very good, real and unequal. Very good. This is your 1 mark question. अभी तक आपने कितने मार्क्स कमा लिए? You have earned 4 marks. You have earned 4 marks and nothing was difficult in this. कुछ भी difficult नहीं था. Isn't it class? कुछ भी difficult नहीं था ना?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. See, what I am telling you, ये 2 marks का रहता है, ठीक है. Determine the nature of the root for each of the following quadratic equation. Just now we have solved ना, उसी पे based है. Determine the nature of the root of each of the following equation. इसमें आपको बताना है. Same है, everything is same. Everything is same. That is comparing. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is my standard form. Yes, standard form is there. We'll write the value of a. B का value is -2. C का value is 1. Substitute करो. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. B का value -2 square minus 4. 1 into 1. This is 4. This is 4 into 1, 4. अब tell me delta is equal to 0. अब क्या हो जाएगा इसका value? The roots are
Not equal.
not equal.
Equal.
Delta is equal. The roots are real and equal.
The roots are real.
The roots are real and
Equal.
real and equal. This is your 2 marks question. Why? Because you have state. ये statement आपको पूछ लिया था, इसलिए ये 2 marks का question हो गया. ठीक है, similar to that. कभी आपको डिटर्मिनेंट पूछेंगे तो इतना ही आपको डिटर्मिनेंट बताना है. बट हियर डिटरमाइन द नेचर ऑफ द रूट. नेचर ऑफ द रूट बताना था आपका कि ये रूट का नेचर क्या है. तो रियल और इक्वल है, इसलिए ये 2 marks का हो गया. ओके चलो.
Okay.
See, this is also your previous year question. Which of the following is the value of the discriminant from the equation is given to you all. 2x square plus 5 root 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. इसमें आपको बताना है value will be given. अभी हम कैसे value find करते थे? Here we were finding the value. Here they have given you the value. बस आपको बताना है इसका value क्या होगा. Anyone can tell me इसका value क्या होगा? Any one of my student can solve this and tell me the value. A, B, C, D में से कौन सा value होगा? Yes, students. Solve this and tell me the value. Among this A, B, C, D, what will be the value of this discriminant?
Miss, value.
Gaurav, Lakshmi, Riya. Yes. Who is going to tell me the answer?
Miss, value.
हाँ बताओ value. Subhanshu.
27.
Very good. Very good. Very good. The value is 27. How shortly we will solve?
Miss,
A का value कितना है 2, B का value कितना है 5 root 3, C का value कितना है 6. ठीक है, तो B square minus 4AC 5 root 3 का square minus 2 into 6. Okay, बताओ. 5
Miss, 5 5 are 25. 25 3 are 75.
हाँ, 4 2s are 8. 8
8
6 are
6 are 48.
48. Yes.
Minus 27.
Minus 27.
No, Miss, 27. Minus 27.
Yeah, 75 minus 48. Very good. I hope this is clear. ये doubt, ये question आएगा so you will definitely get mark. You're not going to lose your mark. फिर एक फैक्टराइजेशन देखते हैं, फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. दिस इज ऑल्सो योर प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. देखो कितना इजी फैक्टराइजेशन पूछा था. सी क्लास, कितना इजी फैक्टराइजेशन आपको पूछा था एग्जाम में. सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. कितना इजी क्वेश्चन था. सेम क्वेश्चन आई हैव टेकन हियर. ओके. ओके. फैक्टराइजेशन में क्या करते हैं? फर्स्ट नथिंग इज देयर, मतलब 1 रहेगा. 1 इंटू 54, 54. ये वैल्यू प्लस में है तो प्लस 54. ठीक है. नाउ ये नीड टू फाइंड 2 फैक्टर. 2 फैक्टर फाइंड करना रहता है 54 का. टेल मी 2 फैक्टर्स ऑफ 54.
Miss 9 6 54 plus
वेरी गुड. 9 6 54. 9 प्लस 5 कितना आना चाहिए? 15. अच्छा, ये प्लस है तो इधर माइनस, तो वैल्यू दोनों को क्या देंगे? माइनस देंगे. ओके. अब इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. Therefore x square minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 is equal to 0. Take out common. x minus 9 minus 6 x minus 9. Therefore you got your 2 root.
minus 6 x
minus 9 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 9 और x is equal to 6. लास्ट में आपको स्टेट करना पड़ता है. नेवर एवर फॉरगेट टू राइट द स्टेटमेंट द रूट ऑफ द गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. ये स्टेटमेंट कभी मत भूलना. कभी don't never ever forget to write this because half marks is based on this class. half marks रहता है. The roots
so given equation 9 and 6.
ओके. ये आपको कितने मार्क्स का एग्जाम में पूछा था? ये 3 मार्क्स के लिए पूछ लिया था. 3 मार्क्स के लिए पूछ लिया था. इज एनीथिंग डिफिकल्ट? कुछ डिफिकल्ट है इसमें?
no miss.
Very good. The student, those who are afraid of mathematics and they want their 30 marks, still they can get more than 35 student. खाली इतना किया, इतना कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर किया तो ये सब लेसन का. Okay. Similarly to this is very very easy. This was also asked. No root, no nothing is there. Plus में है पूरी वैल्यू. So values का 5 3 था. Very good. Very good. 5 plus 15 है तो 5 3 का दोनों वैल्यू
Plus
why minus minus? No need of doing anything because everything is given. सब प्लस में है तो इसमें कोई जरूरत नहीं है आपको वैल्यूज चेंज करने की.
Okay, teacher.
x square plus 5x plus 3x plus 15 is equal to 0. x
the root are given quadratic equation is -5 and -3.
-3.
very good. I don't think any of my students are going to lose marks in this factorization method till here. अभी तक के एक भी मार्क्स किसी के हाथ से जाना नहीं चाहिए. ओके, बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी इजी. आप खुद सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. दिस इज वेरी इजी. ठीक है. टिल फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू लूज अ सिंगल मार्क्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ Now we'll see formula method. Okay, formula method. I told you all कि remember, always you are going to remember formula. कौन सा formula हम याद रखते हैं? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divide by 2a. ये formula बहुत easy है.
Yes.
No one is going to forget this formula. I'll write down here. X is equal to minus plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divide by 2a. Okay? Divide by 2a. बहुत easy है ये. Isn't it? This is very easy. Okay. Chalo, then we will solve this. Once one problem I'll solve, the next one you are going to solve. ठीक है? Okay. Comparing it with standard form. नहीं, पहले इसको हम standard form में बनाते हैं. ठीक है? That is 4x square. 4x square ये इधर जाएगा तो 9x. ये हमारा standard form में हो गया. Now what we do? We do
Comparing.
Yeah. Comparing with standard form. Okay. Now, this is my standard form. Yes. The value of A is 4.
4.
The value of B is minus 9.
Minus 9.
The value of C is
Minus 1.
Now, first you need to find the value of B
Square minus 4. 9 square minus 9 square.
Minus 9 into minus 9?
Plus 81.
Yeah.
Minus minus
4,
plus.
4 is 16 minus 1 16 plus हो जाएगा वो. What value you got?
96.
97. 1 plus 6 7.
97.
Yeah, 97. Now your formula.
Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a.
See student, write these formulas. Those formulas you are not remembering na. Write this formula and आप जहाँ study करते हो वहाँ stick कर दो. Okay, stick this the table where you are studying. So whenever you get time, just have a look. और ये सब formula. You won't find any difficulty in your board exam. ठीक है? वो याद हो जाएगा आपको. बार बार उसको देखोगे, then you will remember it very easily. ठीक है? अभी B का वैल्यू क्या है? 9. तो minus
9. 97.
Why minus? Minus because the value of 9 minus में है. ठीक है? 2 into A 4. अब क्या होगा? ये कैंसिल हो गया ना? I got 9 plus or minus root 97 by 8. ये मेरा x का वैल्यू. So मेरे दो रूट्स मिल जाएंगे. I'll get 2 roots. I'll solve it here. ठीक है? तो x का 9 plus root 97 by 8. ठीक है? 1 और x is equal to 9 minus root 97/8. Finally, what you are going to state? Never ever forget. क्या करते हो? The roots of the given quadratic equation. Therefore,
बस 4 मिनट
are 9 plus root 97/8 and 9 minus root 97/8. देखो ये आपका 3 marks का क्वेश्चन था. This was your 3 marks question. Okay. So is anything difficult in this? इधर तक तो डिस्क्रिमिनेंट हम फाइंड करते ही थे. अच्छा, ये आपको 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आ ही रहा था, 1 और 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन. द थिंग इज दैट थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंशन है. यू हैव टू सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस वैल्यू इन दिस फॉर्मूला एंड यू विल गेट योर 2 रूट. जस्ट एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इज देयर. फॉर्मूला मेथड, नथिंग न्यू. हाँ बोलो.
मिस कैसे हमें पता मिस अभी हम 97 का फैक्टराइज नहीं निकाल सकते ना?
नहीं, प्राइम नंबर का कैसा फैक्टर निकालोगे? देखो इसको तुम ऐसा डिवाइड भी करके देखो, हो रहा है क्या ये? इज इट पॉसिबल?
नो मिस.
किसी से भी जा रहा है नहीं ना, तो ये 97 वनजा ही जाएगा ना. 97 वनजा ही 97. तो 1 लो या नहीं लो, समझा? आपको प्राइम नंबर समझना पड़ेगा. चलो अभी और एक है और वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लम. आई थिंक सबको एवरीवन इज गेटिंग हाउ टू सॉल्व वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लम. उसमें कोई डाउट तो नहीं हो रहा है? यस मैम.
Yeah, time is up.
ओके, सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क क्लास. ये प्रीवियस ईयर का क्वेश्चन है. सिमिलर इसके जैसा ही करना है आपको. Similar to this you have to practice. Here we have finished all the problems, all previous year के question. Words problem मैंने yesterday नहीं on 30th I think I have taken that word problem. सारे वर्ड प्रॉब्लम हो गए थे प्रीवियस ईयर के वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स भी. ठीक है. सो वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लम के लिए बहुत ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस चाहिए. बट इफ यू वांट ओनली 30 मार्क्स, प्रैक्टिस ओनली दिस मच. 35 मार्क्स चाहिए तो इतना प्रैक्टिस करो, यू विल इजीली गेट. ठीक है क्लास. सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड योर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का रिवीजन. थैंक्स फॉर टुडे. थैंक्स क्लास.
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम.